Hi, this is Chen Prom. I'm here to showcase my final project for CITP-3310. So this program is written in C Sharp. It's a console app, .NET 7. I decided to build a hangman type game or word guessing game. Here you see the program here in the editor or in the IDE. Top here you have your standard library that you're importing. Here the static, the void, the main function here. This is just printing out little graphics, the hangman name and caricature here. You have an integer for wrong guesses. It's just a counter. Both these correct letter counter and a wrong guess counter. You have a list of correct guesses and a list of wrong guesses, wrong letters, where it's going to be storing your guesses. And here we have initialized an array, a string array, which is going to be storing all the words that we're going to be using for the game itself. So right now, just for testing purposes, I have 3, Friday, dog, cat. Here we have a random number generator, which is going to be used to get a number from 0 to 3 or 0 through the length of this array. And then that's how we're going to choose, randomize which word we're going to use in the game when we start the game. Let's see, here's just another variable for, okay, this is when we grab the word from here, we're grabbing the index of that array. So the word that we're going to guess is going to get stored here, and we're grabbing it from this word array here. And the num is right here, that random number, which is based on that random number. Here, this is just for really debugging purposes, to make it easier when we play the game. So you're just gonna console out the word here, this word that we're gonna guess, and this is just gonna tell us how long the word is gonna be, which is written right here. Next, okay, so this is the loop. It's gonna be a do while loop to make it so if the guesses are wrong or that the player hasn't ran out of lives yet, it keeps on going until they get a hangman, until the number of guesses is too high and they haven't correctly guessed the word yet, which is why we're doing a do while. This big case statement here is just how I'm deciding. So this logic here is determine if the guesses are correct. So if the word does not contain the guess, then it's going to trigger this event here. It's going to increment the wrong guesses by 1. It'll add the wrong letter, or the letter that they guessed into this wrong letters array, which is going to get stored, so we can use that to check later for another logic. This console.clear is it's a way to clear this console every time they get something wrong. Then you won't get like this hangman and this pitcher keep on getting stacked together. So that's what this console.clear does. And then, yep. And the main logic, some more logic down here is, so this is if they guess wrong, then one of these case statement here, it's based on how many wrong guesses there are. So if there's 0 wrong guesses, you'll get this picture. 1 wrong guess, you'll get this picture. 2, and so on and so on. But if the guess is correct, so this logic here is going to loop through the word that we're trying to guess, and it's going to look through it. So if that guess is equal to the if it's found in the word to guess, then it's gonna go ahead and add that guess, that correct one, to the word to guess, or add it to the correct guess array, and then the correct letters counter will be incremented by 1. And if you get it, if the letters are correct, that the correct letter counter is equal to the word that you guess length, and then you win. And if the guess is, the wrong guess is greater than 6, then that's when you lose, and you haven't guessed the right letters yet. And that's pretty much it for the program itself. Go ahead and run it, show it real quick. So here, so right now, like I said, just for debugging purposes, it's going to tell you what word it is. In actuality, that will, in the real program, this won't be here, but the word, the letter here, or the number of letters in the word will show up here. So you guess fry F, you got that right? Okay, good. If you do something day or D is correct, okay. Get something wrong, you're gonna get, so now there's one hang, or one, the drawing has changed. They're just gonna tell you that there's the wrong guess, and it'll highlight the letters that's wrong and the letters that they did get correct so far. So if you get another wrong, so it keeps on drawing wrong, right, so it doesn't change the picture. Wrong again, so it draws again. L, wrong again. A, right, so it doesn't. I, R, and since you got all the right letters, you win, and nice job, Friday. Let's continue, enter. Try it again. This word's gonna be cat, so I'm gonna get it all wrong. So you get Y, W, N, get one right, L, Q, and game over because you got the letters wrong. And that is my program.